Hey everyone, if your YouTube app isn't playing videos, buffering forever, or just showing a black screen, don't worry. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. For that, first of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is with your network or not. After that, you want to go ahead and simply force close and reopen the YouTube application. Go ahead and swipe up or go to your recent apps and then close YouTube completely. After that, reopen it to refresh the app session. So after that step, go ahead and open up your settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for YouTube and then tap on Offload App. Go ahead and tap on it again. This will help you free up the storage used by YouTube and will also help you clear the cache. Once you have offloaded it, go ahead and tap on Reinstall App again. So after that, you want to go ahead and simply update your YouTube application. Visit the App Store and in the search bar, simply search for YouTube. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on it. If you see update instead of open in the blue button, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After you do that, you want to go ahead and simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves the issue. Just power off your phone, wait for 10 seconds, and turn it back on again. And that is simply how you can fix the YouTube app when videos are not playing. If one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.